Elephants can communicate through sounds that are too low for humans to hear. Platypuses are one of the few mammals that lay eggs. Giraffes have the same number of vertebrae in their necks as humans, 7. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors. Cheetahs can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making them the fastest land animal. Sloths can rotate their heads nearly 270 degrees due to their unique neck anatomy. Polar bears' skin is black, and their fur is not actually white but transparent. Humpback whales create complex songs that can last up to 20 minutes. Kangaroos cannot move their hind legs independently, which is why they hop. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Spiders produce silk from specialized glands located in their abdomen. Penguins mate for life and often propose to their mate with a pebble. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees due to their unique neck structure. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Emus and penguins are unable to walk backward. Flamingos are born with gray feathers and turn pink due to their diet rich in carotenoids. Peacocks can fly, despite their large and colorful tails. Crows are highly intelligent and have been known to use tools. Albatrosses can fly thousands of miles without ever flapping their wings, using dynamic soaring. Eagles have powerful vision and can spot prey up to 2 miles away. Parrots are capable of imitating human speech. Scorpions can survive for months without eating and can even withstand intense levels of radiation. Crocodiles can go through 3,000 teeth in a lifetime as they continuously grow new ones. Chameleons change color not just for camouflage, but also to regulate their body temperature and communicate. Turtles can breathe through their butts. Geckos can walk upside down on ceilings and walls due to their unique toe pads. Snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica. Komodo dragons have venomous saliva that can kill their prey. Alligators can live up to 100 years. Tuatara is a reptile species that has a third eye on the top of its head. Anacondas are among the heaviest and longest snakes in the world. Gila monsters are one of the only 2 venomous lizards in the world. Tarantulas can live for several years, and some species have been known to live up to 30 years. Axolotls have the incredible ability to regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, organs, and even parts of their brain. Frogs breathe through their skin. Salamanders have the ability to regenerate entire limbs, tails, jaws, and parts of their heart and brain. Newts are toxic and can secrete toxins through their skin. Toads have warts that can secrete toxins as a defense mechanism. Ticks are capable of transmitting a wide range of diseases to both humans and animals. Sharks have been around longer than trees. They've been on Earth for about 400 million years. Goldfish can distinguish between different human faces. Piranhas rarely attack humans and are actually omnivores. Electric eels can generate electricity to stun their prey or defend themselves. Clownfish are immune to the sting of sea anemones, making them an ideal inhabitant. Mites are some of the most diverse and abundant arachnids, with thousands of species. Bees communicate through complex dance movements in the hive to convey the location of food sources. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Praying mantises have a flexible neck and can turn their heads 180 degrees. Ants can carry objects many times their own body weight. Dragonflies have been around for about 300 million years and were among the first winged insects to evolve. Jellyfish are made up of 95% water. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Sea cucumbers can expel their organs as a defense mechanism and regenerate them later. Sea turtles can migrate long distances between their feeding grounds and the beaches where they nest. Sharks lose thousands of teeth in their lifetime and can regenerate them. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell and can detect certain diseases in humans, like cancer. Cats have retractable claws that they use for hunting and climbing. Horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal. Pigs are incredibly intelligent and can learn to perform tricks and even play video games. Rabbits have nearly 360-degree panoramic vision. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for over 165 million years, and birds are considered their descendants. Woolly mammoths had a thick layer of fur and an insulating layer of fat that helped them survive in cold climates. Dodos were flightless birds that became extinct in the 17th century and were native to the island of Mauritius. Saber-toothed cats had elongated, knife-like canine teeth that could reach 7 inches in length. Giant ground sloths were the size of elephants and roamed the earth during the Ice Age. Pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world due to the high demand for their scales. Tigers are critically endangered, with only around 3,900 left in the wild. Gorillas are threatened by habitat loss and poaching and are critically endangered. Rhinos are killed for their horns, which are used in traditional Asian medicine, leading to their critical endangerment. Orangutans are facing habitat destruction due to deforestation and are critically endangered. Mimic octopuses can imitate the appearance and behaviors of other sea creatures to avoid predators. Cuttlefish can change their skin color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. Camouflaging moths have wings that look like dried leaves to protect themselves from predators. Regal horned lizards can shoot streams of blood from their eyes as a defense mechanism. African grey parrots are exceptional at imitating various sounds, including human speech. Chimpanzees use tools to obtain food and communicate through complex gestures. Honeybees have a complex social structure with a queen, worker bees, and drones, each with different roles. Elephants have strong emotional bonds and mourn their dead. Dolphins use a sophisticated system of communication and social interaction. Chimpanzees use tools to obtain food and communicate through complex gestures. Orcas, killer whales, live in highly complex social groups, working together to hunt and communicate with distinct vocalizations. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, even larger than the largest dinosaurs. African elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. Giraffes have the longest tail of any land mammal. Japanese spider crabs have the longest leg span of any arthropod. Hummingbird has the fastest metabolism of any animal. Arctic foxes have thick fur and a short muzzle to adapt to cold climates. Cacti mice can survive without drinking water, obtaining enough moisture from their diet. Dromedary camels have adaptations to withstand extreme desert conditions, like their ability to store fat in their humps. Fennec foxes have enormous ears that help dissipate heat and give them acute hearing. Meerkats use different calls to signal various types of threats, indicating whether the danger is from the sky, ground, or a specific predator. Wolves communicate through howling, marking territories, and calling pack members. Symbiotic relationships between animals, like cleaner fish and larger fish, involve one species benefiting while the other is cleaned. Mutualism is seen in relationships where both parties benefit, such as bees pollinating flowers while collecting nectar. Parasitism occurs when one organism benefits at the expense of another, like ticks feeding on the blood of their hosts. Commensalism is when one organism benefits while the other is neither harmed nor helped, like barnacles attaching to whales for transportation without affecting the whale. Parental care and nurturing is seen across various animal species, where parents protect, feed, and teach their young until they're ready to survive on their own. These fascinating facts highlight the diversity, complexity, and wonder of the animal kingdom, showcasing the incredible abilities and behaviors found in the natural world.